So why vaping? Why an app that is dedicated to reducing it? Well, vaping has become a prevalent problem, particularly among adolescents. It began with the introduction of e-cigarettes in 2007 to the US. This means that adolescents are being frequently exposed to the vape. This is very detrimental considering the harmful physical and mental health effects that are associated with the vape. These include, but are most definitely not limited to, tolerance and withdrawal symptoms, anxiety, stress, mood swings, and lung damage. Statistics. So, one statistic shows from the National Youth Tobacco Survey taken in 2023 and 2024 that e-cigarettes, out of all tobacco products reported being used, e-cigarettes are the highest amount of tobacco products that are being used by high schoolers and middle schoolers.
Our app's features are primarily built on positive reinforcement and psychological research that address the mechanisms behind addictions and cycles. So some of our features include reminders, an anonymous community sent positive messages to each other, streak tracking, journaling, motivational stickers, an online shop where users can reward themselves after gaining coins, and we mainly coded our application through Google's Firebase, and we deployed the front end on Firebase and the back end on Render. We mainly coded in 3 languages, HTML for the user interface, Python for the main application, and JavaScript, but we didn't use it that much. So we tried to get animations from Lottie, Rive, and several different places so that we could create a more interactive user environment with the app. Alright, so this is what the home screen looks like currently. You can just select how you're feeling today. So I'm just gonna put in some sample answers, and you are allowed to skip optional answers. So my check-in is saved. And in the journal section, you can either switch between prompts or you can ignore prompts, but you're allowed to say whatever's on your mind, and you will save an entry and get 7 coins. As for motivation, you can choose 3 different types of stickers. We have gentle, fiery, and a mix. So just applying these themes will change what the stickers look like currently. And in our online shop, we have several different options. You can change between themes. You can buy and apply themes, but you can also show badges on your profile, and you can also buy stickers. In our profile, you can see that you can change and select between different fonts, but you can also, your badges will be displayed here. And last but not least, in our community, as we can see, we've already got a message displayed, an anonymous message, but you can send your own message and you can save a nickname on your device. There's also multiple ways to sign in. You can sign in with Google, or you can sign in with an email, or you can just be a guest.